gwapong-gwapo, oh. Naku, mga mommies and daddies, bantayan niyo po to. Baka gamitin yung talent nila pagdating ng araw sa pag-girlfriend. During their rehearsal time, very excited silang lahat para sa araw na to. Kaya naman, I hope you will give your best for your performance. Ready na ba ang ating mga guitarist at ang ating one and only ukulele student? Once again, let's give a really big round of applause for Sean Gavin Azarcon, Roman Kimor Juliero, and Ariel Gomez Jr. Tell me that you'll wake up. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go.
Congratulations, thank you very much for that performance.
Gwapong-gwapo ang dating nila on stage. Do not forget to take your bows because you did great. We have Sean Gavin Azarcon, Roman Kimber Juliero, and Ariel Gomez Jr.
Let's witness another piano performance from Elijah Nicole Clemente and Chelsea Caliana, Lian Jane Capulong, Zian Madams Isaac Loretta,
For their